how many dumbasses I've seen get into a one-night stand and be like, shit, I don't need protection. My pull-out game is strong. Oh shit. University of Kentucky's basketball team, the Kentucky Wildcats, who went undefeated the whole regular season until their untimely exit in the NCAA semifinals to University, are apparently losing all 7 top players to the NBA draft. Karl Anthony Towns, Willie Cauley-Stein, Devin Booker, Dakari Johnson, Trey Lyles, and the Harrison twins announced their decision to enter the draft early Thursday morning, with a large number of them only spending 1 year in the university before entering the draft. Basically meaning that Kentucky lost almost all of their good players because they're trying to go to the NBA and get their money until they retire and they realize they don't have a college degree and then go broke in the next 6 years. But shit, money, money, money. How long would you stay in college if you were a basketball star and had the option to go to the NBA? Hey, shit, boy, I don't care if it's a week, I don't care if it's a month. Bruh, once they say I'm allowed to go, boy, I am out, nigga. I'm rich, bitch. B shit. All 4 years. Sometimes getting an education is better than being rich and a dumbass. Or C, other. Let me know in the comment section below.